For those running the Auxbeam switch panel, real good mount is this KR off-road mount front of the hood. When I was going to install this, I could not find anywhere under the hood to mount this thing where it looked halfway decent and it wasn't mounted in a dumb spot where it got in the way. But you got two screws up here and this thing is secure. It's not going anywhere. I still got to clean up the wiring, but yeah, real good mount. It has a little, you can't see it here, but there's a big opening here where you can run all your wires. Everything runs up right in there. Oh, there you go. Also, for the inside, I went to Etsy and I got this mount here. It's 3D printed. It doesn't really match the interior. It's not smooth like the other pieces. You can see it's kind of, you know, 3D printed. But your little panel right there mounts right to it. Wires run right up through here. And it's adjustable. You know, you can move it around however you need to. But yeah, if y'all do a the Auxbeam switch panel on your F-150, those are some good little pieces you can get to help your install.